Hey everybody, pretty new at this right here, so I'm going to give you a review. I had just purchased a Syma X5C-1. Supposedly this is a new updated version of the old X5C. And first of all, it's a small quad. It really it's a very stable one. I've had it out and I've flown it in the park today, and it has a little HD camera on the bottom of it. Has a micro slot for recording. It comes with 3 batteries. They are 650 milliamp 3.7 volt batteries. Also comes with this cool little charger right here. You can charge up to 5 batteries at one time. Gives you an SD card reader. Plug it into your USB, put your little SD card in there, and you can play back your videos. Comes with a single battery charger, and it also comes with 4 extra props. With that being said, it really truly is a good flying quad, and I will bring a video to you of it being in the field. We're going to take it back over to the park and fly it, and I'll share you a video with how it is. The controller, this controller right here, you've got your regular yaw, your roll, your pitch, and it also has a high and a low mode. It starts out on low mode. If you click this left side right here one time, it'll double beat, put you into high rate mode. It also has a stunt button. Click that, and whichever way and direction that you give it the roll or pitch, it will go ahead and do a flip for you. It has your regular trims. This one right here, this button right here, this is for your camera. If you push it once, you'll take a picture. You pull it down, you can do a video. Pull it down again, stop the video. Push it up, do a quick picture. But as I said, for a budget quad and a small one, it's great for indoors, it's great for outdoors. And I am still new at this, so bear with me, and hopefully we're going to have some better videos to come up. But this right here is a quick review on the Syma X5C-1 upgraded version. Thanks for watching.